My name is Asha Karandikar. I live in Thane and I work with Times of India as an assistant marketing manager on magazines, 3 magazine brands. And you asking me a question about your struggle in life, how you struggled and achieved what you had in passions you had in life. For me, it has been a very long journey, a long struggle, right from my young age when I was in 8th, 9th standard. Coming from a middle class family, my mother was the main person who took care of us 4 children. I didn't have a father, so it was quite a difficult time. You can just understand when I tell you this scenario. And I had been working right from my 11th standard and studying and working. I did my graduation. I always wanted to be a very big marketing head of some big company or be a corporate person. That was always my ambition. And I was good at my studies. I tried hard. I used to work, I used to study, sit in the library late evening and study. And my whole routine used to be from morning 6 o'clock I'm running for college, evening night I'm coming around 10 o'clock. So long struggle in my life, which I feel after years of struggle I have achieved it now. As in I am in a good sustainable position, though still there's a lot of things to achieve in life. It's not the end of it. Today my dreams are, I want to be an entrepreneur. I aspire to do some business of my own. Okay, I want to do something where my passion is. My passion is in travel. My passion is in food. And with the kind of background that I am in today, in my job, in my workplace, I have learned a lot. And from that I feel there is an opportunity to kind of explore and build my life further. So I want to do something on my own. Okay. For this, there's a lot of struggle. All along the struggle from my school days that I have come along, life was not easy. I have 2 kids. I'm a single parent, and as a single parent, life is not easy for me. With all the kind of financial difficulties, managing work, runabout. But still, I think it is end of the day being positive. Being positive that you can do it. Because I've always lived by one funda. There's nothing is impossible in life. There's nothing as impossible. If you decide you want to do something, you can do it. It's a matter of your focus. It's a matter of your determination, and it's a conviction that you should have with your own self. I will do it. You can do it. So I always have a smile on my face, and I take my life every day as a challenge to move on. And one fine day I know I will achieve it. And in between these years, to tell you in short, I've also gone through breast cancer. I had a big long treatment, a fight which I actually met death and I came back. I survived that because all through my treatment also I was like, I have to get out of this. I have to get out of this because I have my kids to look at, I have my life to live in a better way. And I came out of it. Today I'm normal. I'm living a happy life, a normal life. And I know I will achieve the heights which I am dreaming of for tomorrow. So this is what it is. Every common man has this aspiration. But every common man should struggle for it in a way with a focus and determination. And there's nothing like impossible. Nothing like impossible. You can do it. I am a super story.